Hello friends, welcome to SQL Server tutorial. In this video, we will see how to filter a record by value list. That means you can provide one or more value in the form of list, and based on that list, you can make the record selection. Let's see the usage of in operator. So we select all employee. Then here, if you see department ID in, this is the operator we are using in, and this is the value list which is separated by comma. So what we are stating is select star. Star means here we doesn't apply any column filter. We are asking to select all the column from table employee, and in the record selection condition we are stating department ID should be 1 or 3. That means here instead of specifying, so we can rewrite this as where department equal to 1 or department equal to 3. You can put multiple or condition. So to avoid multiple or, we can make use of in, where department ID in 1 or 3. So you can even put multiple list where department ID in 1 or 3 or 5 or 7 up to the list can grow. All right. Here, if you see, we used the in operator with so this is numeric data. Here we used string. So our selection list still separated by comma, but since it's a string type or character type, we enclosed that with a single quote. So that's the difference. All right, now let's go to the demo and see how it works. So pick specific employees from specific department. Here, if you see, there are multiple employees, and we want to get employee from department 1 as well as department 3. That means if you want to skip Kumar Sinha, he belongs to a different department. We want to skip Andrew Hudson, and we want to skip Manish Kulkarni. All right, now let's execute this, and you can see some records are returned and the department ID is not having 2. That means we are asking to filter a record with the department ID equal to 1 as well as department ID equal to 3. Right? What happens if you put not here? We are asking to select department ID 2. That means here we have only 3 department, right? Department ID 1, 2, 3. So I don't want 1 and 3. That means pick all the employee who belongs to department 2. Here you can see that. All right, now we will go with the second example. So select star, select all column from test.employee schema table, where country code in UK or New Zealand. Let's execute it, and okay. Let's execute it, and you can see 2 employee picked. One is from New Zealand and another employee, Andrew Hudson, is from UK. Right, so here we specified a select list of 2. You can, as already told, you can put n number of record selection list here. Now if you see, Nancy Jane from Italy also in the record selection list. That's all here in this video. Thank you for watching. Bye.